Guten Tag and welcome back to Fabian's 30-Minute Meals. I'm Fabian and you might remember me from such self-help books as Training Wheels Are for Beginners and Narcissism for Everyone. Today we're going to do glazed donuts bread pudding. So we're going to probably end up giving this away to all of the neighbors because we don't really want all those calories. But because I forgot to buy some condensed milk, I'm going to make some condensed milk really quick myself. Because I accidentally grabbed a can of evaporated milk. So to make your own condensed milk, you take a cup, 12 ounces of evaporated milk and add 1.5 cups of sugar and bring this to a boil, let it reduce a little bit, and bam, you got your own condensed milk. Sugar. 1, 2. Bring this to a quick simmer. Alright, so we're gonna make the sauce, or the milk batter we'll need for the glazed donuts to soak in. So we need 12 eggs, we need 2 entire eggs and then 10 egg yolks. So let me get those added and separated here real quick. We'll need the egg yolks only. Pull those out. So we need a quart of heavy whipping cream. And 2 cups of milk. I don't know if this is going to hold. 1, 2. This gotta take a look. Alright, so we mix that all up. We're going to add 1/2 cup of our condensed milk that we made real quick. So scoop out. Oh, try to scoop out. Condensed milk, throw that in there. A bit extra. 1/2 cup. Alright. Now I had a mixer somewhere. Where am I go?
Talking about the whisk?
Yep, a whip.
It's over there.
A whip. A whip. Oh, I put it in there. Alright. So we got donuts. Oh. So we're gonna cut these up real quick, any which way you want, and just toss these guys in. If your donuts aren't stale enough, just throw them in the oven for 1/2 hour at 250 to dry them out a little bit. Pattern is full, Ghost Rider. Alright, so screw that down, take our mix, and we'll throw this on top. Alright. We'll help this duck swish down a little bit. I'm gonna get this all nicely soaked up. So you can just let this sit for an hour, let that soak in. I'm gonna help this along, massage it. Carefully, just keep squishing this down like a sponge. that's pretty much it. We'll throw this in the oven at 350 for however long. I'll tell you in a second.
20 minutes later.
Alright, so let's go back to this. Alright, I'll put it in the oven. So we're going to put it in the oven at 350 for 40 minutes. We're going to cover it with foil so the donuts don't like burn on us. Of course, put the foil on beforehand. Try to not burn yourself. And we'll leave that in for 40 minutes and we'll come back and scope it up. So our donut bread pudding is almost done in the oven. So we're almost ready to pull it out. We're going to make some whipped cream topping for it real quick. So I added 2 cups of whipped cream here. And we're going to whip that up real quick. So look. So we're going to add some Kahlua to this, because we got nothing else to do, right? So we're at about a quarter cup, half cup of Kahlua, how much do you all want? Mix that in. Kahlua mixed for whipping cream. Just like quick stir here. Ooh, smells good. Alright, like that. Some whipping cream here. There we go. Glazed donut bread pudding with Kahlua whipped cream. Of course, you can let that cool down a little bit before throwing the whipped cream on so it doesn't melt on you right away. But for quick plating purposes, that's what we're gonna do. This was Fabian's 30-minute meals. We'll see you next time. Auf Wiedersehen.